everybody. Today we're going to be learning how to make these lovely bowling pins to make some backyard bowling. The things that we're going to need are we're going to need an empty beverage container with the labels cut off. For that you're going to need some scissors. Then we're going to need something to decorate them with. You can use Sharpies or markers of any sort. You can paint, or you can use stickers or whatever else you can imagine. Next, we're going to need a ball to use as our bowling ball, and some rocks or water to hold the bottles down. So now we're going to take our ball and we're going to do some bowling. Enjoy, guys!